there, fellow YouTubers! Today, I want to talk about a topic that is near and dear to the hearts of many of us, earning money from our videos. If you're new to YouTube and wondering how to make money, the good news is that it is definitely possible. However, before we dive into the details, it's important to understand the different types of earning options that are available to you. Firstly, there are the traditional ways of monetizing your channel. These include displaying ads within your video, offering sponsored merchandise, and partnering with brands to run sponsored content. These methods are still widely used by experienced YouTubers and can provide a steady stream of income. Another option is in-demand pay-per-view PPC services, such as AdFlex and Google AdSense. These allow you to show targeted ads to your viewers as they watch your video, and you earn a percentage of each sale made through those ads. Finally, YouTube is also starting to see more content creators turning to video marketing. This involves creating video content that is geared towards promoting a specific brand or product. And in exchange for exposure, the brand or company pays the creator a fee. So, what are the requirements to earn money from your YouTube channel? Firstly, you need to have a fully functional and optimized channel with at least a few thousand followers. This will give you a higher likelihood of being discovered by brands and companies who are looking to partner with YouTubers. Next, you need to create engaging and informative content that your audience will enjoy. This is where consistency and quality really matter. With each video, you have the opportunity to educate your viewers about a particular topic, provide valuable insights, and build a loyal following. Finally, you need to be persistent. Brands and companies take their time when it comes to reviewing and choosing content for partnerships. So don't get discouraged if it takes time to see results. With dedication and hard work, you can make a great living as a YouTube creator. In conclusion, earning money from your YouTube channel is definitely possible for beginners, but it does require some hard work and dedication. With the right strategies in place, you can build a loyal following and start to earn a decent income. Remember to always keep creating high-quality content that your audience will love, and you'll be well on your way to success.